This 5-minute solution will show you how to reset Windows 10 to factory settings without losing any data. Follow these simple steps to reset your Windows 10. Click on the search icon and type here reset this PC, and then click on reset this PC settings, and here you will get reset this PC option. So all you have to do is just click on get started, and here you have to choose an option. If you select keep my files, then your computer will be reset without losing any data, but your apps and settings will be removed. And you can also select remove everything. It will remove all your programs, apps and settings. So right now we will select keep my files and click on next, and here select local reinstall, and in this additional settings page click on next. And this is the final step. As you can see, ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change settings back to their defaults, keep personal files. So after resetting your PC, your data, photos, videos, audios won't be deleted, and reinstall Windows from this device and remove all apps and programs. So after resetting your PC, all of your program and apps will be removed. Now all you have to do is just click on reset, and that's it. This is how we can reset our Windows 10 without losing data. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.